So I'm showing you how I do make my Golden Elixir. Got a cup of almond milk here. I made this myself. Cinnamon, turmeric, some cayenne pepper, coconut oil, and I use a little bit of honey for taste as well. I'm gonna pour this in here. It's ready for heating up. Okay. So I put in my half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and I put probably almost a full teaspoon of turmeric. Put a little bit more. Okay, and that's heating up. Take some black pepper as well. And it's probably about half a teaspoon of black pepper. And got some coconut oil. I'm gonna put that in there as well. Got like a full teaspoon of coconut oil. Okay. And that's it. I'm just gonna stir that around until it heats up. Once it heats up all the way and gets fully dissolved, then I'm just gonna add a little bit of honey. The honey is medicinal, but it does give it a little bit of a better taste as well. And this is the Golden Elixir. Golden Elixir. You're basically gonna put in about a teaspoon, you could put a half a teaspoon of honey. And you should have one full 8 to 10 ounce cup of the Golden Elixir, which is the curcumin that's going to help reduce the inflammation in your prostate. I mean, your whole body, right? But definitely prostate for sure. This is what you want to do a few times a week, you know? A few times a week. I mean, I do a few different things, but this is something I do a couple times a week, 2 or 3 times a week, in addition to all my other stuff.